So this is my vacuum cleaner collection 2022. So it's going to be the full collection this time. So starting off in the bedroom, we have a yellow Henry with the switch on the back. It does not work. I got this for £4. It's an HVR 200. Don't know when it's from. Henry cordless, works fine. So that's an HVR HVB 160-12. Sebo Airbelt K1. Victronics cheap vacuum. Vax Air Stretch. Vax Power Nano. And then under the bed we've got too many toy vacuums. So we can't really see. We have toy Dyson, toy Hetty, other bits. So now we're gonna move on to another room. In the living room, DC07 Origin. In the kitchen we've got the blue pneumatic. The grey new vac, the Henry XL Plus, Black & Decker Dustbuster. In this cupboard, got a DC25 Animal and a Vax Power 2. Dyson V8 Animal. Down by the hallway, we have a Vax 121 with no suction, the Vax Solution, okay, and a broken DC07 Origin. And finally, in the garage or whatever you want to call it, we have too many vacuums. So we have Dyson DC08 Animal, Dyson DC33 Multi-Floor. That ain't an animal, that's thingy. No, Multi-Floor. Victronics, the other version colour. Vax Dual 5 carpet washer, still haven't used that. I've got handle and the one for the DC08. Other spare parts in there. I can see crevice tool, hard floor brush for the thing, DC07 V8 charger, and this DC25 and other spare parts, bits. And back here we've got a few parts. We've got like spare DC07 handle, pretty faded. Spare DC07 bin. Now over here we have a Hoover Breeze Pets. Got a DC34. Somewhere in here there's a Dyson V7. I can't see it at the moment. I have to have a look. Might be. Oh, there it is. Under there. And then we've got this Dyson that I got for free. Dyson DC54 Kinetic, I think. Where it came with everything. I think it's red because it don't work. Because it's been outside in the rain for ages. It's dry now. It comes with the turbo brush. Hopefully that turbo brush works so I can use it. I've never tested it, so that is all the vacuum cleaners, or at least some of them, that I own. Oh, actually, I have one more. In this box I have a shark. That's it. Bye guys.